All right, what's up, YouTube? Pyro Rev, back at you with fireworks stash update number 2 for 2020. Finally put it all together. We're coming at you from the great state of Idaho. We like to come up here and fire it up and let it off. So I'm going to run through this really quick over here. There's some more stuff over there. I'll get to it eventually. But here we go. Let's start it up. Got the Diablo by Blackjack canister shells. Holy Nishiki 5-inch Nishiki Willow effect. Got the Platinum X Cows. Got the American Glory 6-inch. Pick this up. Masterclass assortment by Brothers. It's got the Grand Jury in there, which I was really excited about when I saw that. Highfalutin, Hit the Road Jack, I believe Irish Legend, and Current Events is in there. And then there's some other 200-gram cakes in there as well. And of course the Rockets that you saw on my first video, #1 of this year. So, a bunch of it is all fountains. So, I'll go over this big stuff. Got the Centennial Fountain, 2 of them, XL from TNT. We got 3 of these Fantasy and Realities by Brothers. Got the Little John by Brothers. Lighthouse by Winda. Got the Snow Cone by Winda. Cat Calls by Brothers. Touching the Sun by Brothers. Humdinger by Brothers. Going over here, we got 3 of the Citadel by Brothers. 3 of the Giant Leap by Brothers. Got 2 of the Highballin' Brothers. 2 of the Hurly Burly Brothers. 3 of the Dust Up Brothers. 3 of the Smithereens Brothers. Can you tell I like Brothers? 3 of the Hot and Spicies by Brothers. 3 of the Totally Circus by Brothers. Got that Pure Fantasy by Brothers. 3 of the Bowl of Cherries by Brothers. Also got this, what is this down here? Cover Your Ears by World Class. Little 7-shot mini cake. 2 of the Purple Rain by TNT. Lucky Star by Brothers. On a Roll by Brothers. Keg Party by Brothers. Krakatoa by Brothers. We got a bunch of novelties here. Iceberg, Chopper, all this is for Brothers. The Globe, Step on It, Counter-Strike, T-Force, M1 Abrams, it's Grey Dragon by Brothers, Captain Jack by Brothers, Hailstorm by Brothers, Getaway by Brothers. So, what else do we got? We got some other stuff over here too. We got a Wacky Tobacco from last year. 9 on a board. We picked this up. Red Riff by Brothers. Let me try that out. This right here, I can't wait to let this off. Brothers Original. If you know, you know. But this thing is pretty bad. We got some daytime stuff over here. 2 of the color smoke walls by Top Gun. I had a 3rd one. We'll be let it off today. Ripcord Parachute Barrage. Show you this real quick. Confetti Cake. Vivid Effects. Those of you that know, you know. Got M80s, half sticks, and that cardboard tube you see right there has more than 30 grams. I'm calling it a 3/4 stick because it's not quite a full stick. It's not quite an M1000, but it's not an M1000, but those are scary. Sparklers, jumping jacks, TNT, that pooping dog right there. Picked up these little things, super annoying little flashers. Can of Worms by TNT. Whiz Bang bottle rockets. Ground bloom flowers. Picked these up cutting edge at the tents here in Idaho. This we picked up at Alamo fireworks. Ground bloom flowers. Also, we got 2 boxes of Sumo Snaps. Picked that up at Alamo fireworks, that hen laying egg. And Piccolo Pete's by TNT. Got some of these 1-inch Magnum mini artillery shells. 3-layer ghost shells, if you know, you know. Sushi box. Ghost Banshee. And Best of Brothers. That has Saturday Night Special, Parrots Prattle, Blonde Joke, and Shotgun Wedding inside. Got a Cobra box from last year. Right here we have 4,000 Platinum Flash crackers. And then we have a case of 8,000s. That's ready to go. Of course, we've got a case of the Blast Pod #1 Pyro Bots. It's for all the kids. That's what's inside the case. Case of 750 shot Saturn missiles, or missiles, I should say. There's a case of those right there. We got the Prismatic Rainbow Waterfalls from last year. Magic Blooms left over from last year. And this we built ourselves. Brand new mortar rack. Brand new fiberglass tubes inside. It's a 24 shot. Figured why not have a rack that holds an entire box of mortars. So that's what we got. It'll take one whole box. So that's it. That's the final stash for 2020. Pyro stash #2. Big shouts out to Will Jeezy 1, Faded King 951, Cody B Pyrotechnics, Pyro HD, Boom in the Sky. Man, there's so many guys, man, that gave me the inspiration to put it together like this, but this is my contribution to the Pyro community. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and we'll be coming back at you with an unboxing of the masterclass and be doing some demos by request from Will Jeezy on some of these novelties. Happy 4th of July. Stay safe, and God bless.